You're looking at a notable spike in sentiment around hardware with a score of plus 0.45, which is significantly above historical averages. Combined with a momentum of plus 0.18, this indicates a strong shift in sentiment that you can't ignore. What's particularly striking is the presence of 18 semantic clusters, which tells us that discussions are not just booming, they are diverse, covering various aspects of hardware innovation and consumer sentiment. With this API, you get real-time insights that include sentiment scores, momentum, and topic clusters, all tailored for your needs. Imagine using this data to fine-tune your product development strategy, or target marketing campaigns effectively by identifying what's resonating with your audience right now. Dive deeper into this with our API documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Get started today and leverage the power of sentiment.